Yo, what is up guys? It's Mars bro, back again with another video. And today we got ourselves another knife, another Balisong. This knife actually just came out. I was meaning to get my eyes on one of these, and then one of the older ones. They had a Tonto version, and this knife just happened to be coming out right around the corner, so I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna grab me one of these instead. So apparently it's supposed to be a little more neutrally balanced. Woo, here we go. I actually bought this knife from a knife center this time. It happened to be an exclusive first production run. All right, what else we got in here? Just the receipt, nothing else. A lot of packaging peanuts. Put that aside. Oh yeah! All right, guys. Doesn't say this time, but oh, there we go. Wrong side. Crack a rack. It's the Bowie. I had to get the dual tone this time because, I mean, I didn't get that the last time and I totally regret it. We got the, you know, warranty maintenance tips, just like all in the sticker. Here we go. Basic squid packaging. And here we go. So second knife with sheath, and you know, microfiber sheath, because I don't know why they don't come with all the knives, but woo! Oh man, I was kind of skeptical on the gunmetal, but that dual tone just makes it look so clean. Check that out, you guys. That is wow. Alright, let's open this baby up. Oh, it sounds beautiful. That was sloppy. Sloppy. Guys, check out that Bowie knife. Ooh. Got your Squid Industries right here. There you go. And there we go, first production. Man, I hate this camera. It's 112 out of 600. You know, the same day they came out with this knife, they had released or dropped again the Squiddy B, which I tried getting my hands on, but man, sold out like that. So anyways, aside from that, we're talking about the Bowie. Let's talk some specs real quick, guys. So the blade length, we're looking about 4.5 inches long. Close length, it's about 5.75 inches long. Overall length, we're looking about 10.125 inches. So it's a pretty good length. Pretty good length. Rocking that stainless steel blade, AEBL stainless steel blade. It's a Bowie style, flat grind, and that 7075 T6 aluminum. Just like that aluminum on my Fitzco. I thought that was pretty neat. I really like titanium, but man, this aluminum is actually very good, so I'm digging with it. I'm wondering if eventually they'll release a Kraken with titanium. That'll be super sick. Probably be on that. Rocking a latchless design, channel construction, so that's pretty dope. I love channel. And I love this jimping here. I love how they have this. I wish they added that to the trainer, but I guess, I don't know, the Squid trainer. Let's look at the play while we're down here. Not even moving. Jesus. Let's look at that tap. Listen to it. Nothing. Probably. Pretty sure I'll get some sort of tap later on. Rocking bushings on this knife, so it's pretty sweet. And Zen pens, and I love Zen pens. And it's actually not as bad. Well, not as bad, but I guess that's the wrong word. But I guess the grit is a lighter grit on this one, so the texture isn't as grippy, I guess you can call it. Ooh, man, guys, I'm digging this. Ooh, clean, guys. No pocket clip on this one. So, I mean, the other Krakens didn't have a pocket clip either. And the handle thickness is about half an inch there. Pretty good. So the weight is about 4.3 ounces. It's, you know, pretty good weight. I've been hearing nothing but amazing things about the Cracker-Rackens, or aka Krakens. I really wanted the old black and red Tonto, and I just thought it was the coolest color scheme. I haven't seen it on a knife yet, and I just fell in love with it. I was like, I gotta get me one of those. But then I found out that they weren't dropping them for a while after, so I was like, shoot, these are about to come out. I think I'm gonna get my hands on one of these. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for my video. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys like most, or if you guys have any suggestions for me. I'd really appreciate the feedback. So yeah guys, thanks again, and catch you guys on my next video. Peace.